So whenever my apartment starts looking like this, well, so does my life. And the same thing can go in reverse. When life gets a little messy, my apartment starts to really reflect that. So whenever this happens, I have to clear my schedule for a couple days to get my life back on track and have some time to relax, focus, and regain that inner peace of mind. This is a reminder that when life gets a little bit crazy, don't forget to take care of yourself, because you deserve it. So whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed, unorganized, and stressed out, the first thing I always do is clean and organize my apartment. There's a saying that I always go by that says a cluttered desk is a cluttered mind. The state of your physical space and environment can have a large impact on your state of mind. The first step towards finding inner peace is clearing out your space. And research actually shows that cleaning can be a form of meditation in itself because it can leave you more relaxed after you're finished. Once my space is clear and decluttered, it's time to start putting pen to paper and journaling. This is something that I just recently started doing, and it's been making a great difference on my health and well-being. When I start feeling lost or stuck, it's usually because I start questioning myself, and the best way for me to sort out my life's problems is to write them down, and this is usually how it goes. The first thing I will do is write out my feelings and what's been bothering me. Then I'll ask myself, if something is bothering me, what can I do to change that? If there's nothing I can do to change that problem, I have no other option but then to let it go into the universe and stop stressing about it. If I can change it, then I will journal down a list of things I need to do, such as like paying bills, making appointments, or staying in touch with loved ones, and start checking them off as I do them. There's something about seeing things all laid out on paper that really helps me sort through my thoughts and see things a lot more clearly. Once I'm finished journaling, the next thing I will do is carve out some quiet time to find balance and become self-aware through the act of meditation. Meditation for me relieves stress, helps me become self-aware, and improves my concentration and overall happiness. My mind is always going, so I need to give it a break by emptying my mind and not thinking about anything for at least 10 minutes a day. So now that I've taken care of my mental health, it's time to give my outer self some love. When life gets stressful, the last thing on my to-do list is my overall self-care and appearance. Taking care of yourself is a reflection of your inner space and current state. It's the simple things that bring me such joy, such as taking a bubble bath or washing my hair or doing a clay mask. Since it's so easy to get caught up in the craziness and stressfulness of our lives, it's important to find time to do more of what you enjoy. Every second, minute, hour, and day presents us with an opportunity to make a difference, to make a change. Expand and increase that level of happiness in your life by doing more of what you love and what makes you happy. For me, it's such things such as reading a new book, or watching a TV series, or doing hobbies such as editing my videos. I've been loving reading books about life or books that help me see things from a new perspective. And without a balance of work and play, it is so easy to burn out, so please remember to give yourself more time to do more of what you enjoy. So these are just some of the things that I do, and I hope that some of these may work for you. We all know that whatever works for one person may not work for everyone, but I hope that you can take something out of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I love you so much, and please click on that subscribe button and the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.